Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making baked donuts with sugar and cinnamon glaze. This isn't actually my recipe. This is a recipe from Ina Garten, but I decided to try it out for the first time, so I'm hoping it actually comes out really well. So yeah, without further ado, as you can see, I've actually gotten my ingredients pretty much prepared, but I can go through them. So we're going to be using 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of salt, which is all in here already. Get that all mixed up. So if I get that going very quickly, just making sure all those ingredients are mixed in properly. Now, once that's mixed in pretty well, just add a little more salt into that. Then we move on to our wet ingredients. And with our wet ingredients, we've got here, we've got a cup and a quarter of milk, 1 egg, put that in. 2 teaspoons of melted butter, which I've got already. As you can see. And we just lightly beat that up together. And whilst that's mixed up, now what we do is just pour that mixture into our dried ingredients. So, and we just mix together. And just make sure everything's incorporated very well. So we get that all mixed up. Now, with this recipe, from what I've seen, it's a very healthy donut, apart from all the sugar that you have in it, but it should be pretty tasty. And like I say, this is a very quick dessert to make. So, you can see our ingredients are already mixed together. Now, as we say with all baked, with anything, with things that we're baking, make sure you preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Now we've got our donut tins right there. Make sure we spray some baking spray on these. You don't actually have to use a lot of baking spray, just a tiny little bit. And just get a spoon and spoon your ingredients into the tin or around the tin. It's a very, very delicate process. You actually have to get it absolutely right. Now these donuts are going to come out in a sort of like a cakey texture, which should make for a really nice sort of subtle and soft donut. So, once we've gotten our mixture into our donut tins, we can then pop that into the oven for 17 minutes. Remember, you do have to make sure your oven has been preheated to 180 degrees before doing this. So, here we go. that goes in for 17 minutes and we should be good to go. So the next thing we're going to be doing is making our cinnamon and sugar glaze. So 17 minutes is up and my donuts are ready. Let's get these out and see what they look like. Just need to let this cool down for a bit. So if we leave that to cool down for about 5 minutes, we can then get those glazed. Now that my donuts are out of the oven, they've cooled down for a bit. Now what I'm going to do is get my cinnamon and sugar glaze together. So for that, we've got half a cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And all we have to do is just get that mixed in together very, very well. That cinnamon should bring out the taste of the donuts really, really well. So get that all incorporated. Now, we've got here some melted butter. So it's as simple as getting one of your donuts and just dabbing that into the butter, putting that into your sugar and cinnamon mixture. And just placing them there like that. So we've got here a nice arrangement of cinnamon and sugar donuts. Let's actually try one. That is really, really good. Well, I would suggest that anyone tries this at home. Like I say, it's a very quick and easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment and let me know what you think. And until next time, see you soon. Bye.